Today, guys, we're using the brand new best grief combo that I just invented. I didn't invent the items, I just invented the grief combo. Let's get into this. So for this grief combo, you will need one of these things. Any flying device, use this. Then you're gonna come over here, put this onto here. So I'm gonna go. It also works in no PvPs and in safe zone. Already dead, guys.
No, 6 days ago.
Go! First item! Let's see. Success. Yes, it's a success.
Opening brand new map. That's one of my confusions.
Can you stop before I report you? Did you literally just blind me?
I'm lucky just gonna
Can you stop before I turn it off?
I turned it off. Bro, are you
Get
actually
rid of it, bro. It's actually just annoying.
No, I don't want to get rid of it.
Hey guys, how do you spell fishing?
Oh wait, hey bro, sorry, I have the cheat code.
Hi, I'm going.
Hey, can you hide this?
How you got the moon map? How you got the moon map?
Please somebody revive it. I said, please revive it. Please revive it. My body's breathing.
I can't pass up.
Well, just
I can't pass
revive
up on my
us.
finger.
You're actually You're not. You're yeah. I'm just gonna do. I'm just gonna.
Oh yeah. Will this still be a success? Yeah. So. Hey you.
Don't copy my skills.
Guys, what should I buy? Should I buy the new pickaxe or the new hammer?
Time.
What new pickaxe?
Explore new page.
The new pickaxe. There's a new pickaxe.
Where was this new fishing update?
It's coming out in 6 days. Please give me back my
That's my question.
Give that back. Dude, give that back right now. Give it back.
You can have that. Yeah, I wouldn't afford it.
Dude, that's mine. Give it back.
Bro, you're getting great
this,
speed.
right?
Bro, you're getting great speed.
Give that back.
Imagine getting great
To be honest, it was on the floor.
Imagine getting great speed, blue.
I mean, nothing says I can't kill people.
Bro, no. Hey, Blue. Can I say something? You're getting reported for...
SNR,
We're going to need your